New Russian T-80 tanks produced under state defense orders will be significantly different from the T-80 BVM version. The production of new T-80 tanks, according to the current T-80 BVM configuration, is considered not optimal, especially when the free space in the turret has reached its limit, significantly limiting the installation of new weapons. This is largely due to the unique design of the automatic loader inherited from the T-64. It was therefore suggested that the new production T-80s could be homogenized with the T-90M and receive the turret that had been experimentally built within the framework of the project Burlak. This is a very interesting prospect, both helping to significantly increase the power of these MBTs and contributing to the revival of a weapon program that once caused many regrets when it was abandoned. Burlak was a program lasting from 2005 to 2009 of the KBTM Design Bureau in Omsk, which was developed a modern two-man modular turret. This turret can be placed on many main battle tank chassis, including the T-72, T-80, and T-90 series, aiming to replace Soviet-era MBTs by 2025. Burlak was the result of a competition between Omsk KBTM and Eurovagon Zavod, and KBTM won thanks to the lower cost, applying experiences from previous development programs, most notably from the T-80UM2 Black Eagle. At that time, the Omsk KBTM Design Bureau was in dire financial stress, and the program was actually a government grant to keep them afloat. The Burlak turret uses a new automatic loading mechanism, overcoming the disadvantages of the T-72 and T-80 lines, which are less safe and apply different mechanisms, making technical assurance work complicated. The basic Burlak turret form is similar to the T-90A, except that there is a large frame with explosive reactive armor placed differently from the usual Contact 5 armor arrangement. The explosive reactive armor panels protruding beyond the turret create a very distinctive look that is different from any other design. This armor is also highly modular and easy to replace in combat or even upgrade in the future. The turret is divided into 3 separate compartments, increasing protection without increasing size and weight to an acceptable level. Additional protection measures include the option of installing the standard active protection system from the Object 195 and camouflage smoke projectile launchers. The automatic loading mechanism is located outside the fighting compartment, limiting the risk to the crew if the ammunition explodes. All mechanisms are located in the turret to ensure it can be mounted on a variety of hull types. The Burlak turret still has a traditional 125mm main gun, comes with a remote-controlled 12.7mm machine gun, and integrates many state-of-the-art electro-optical reconnaissance assets, similar to those used on the T-90M. With the Burlak turret, Russia's new produced T-80 tanks will bring greater power to armor units, especially when the T-14 Armata continues to require further modifications.